nice beautiful language. But you live underground,
Nice shot through mid wicket. Full ball whipped away.
There you go, Scotty. There's one for you.
Can do it quite, and especially just here, right. You tell me, you call that a normal behaviour?
No.
So you can.
What the fuck is this dickhead doing? Sierra Oscar Whiskey Yankee. Ford Bougainville. Jesus.
Very red, my friend. Very red.
Whoa, red. Really red.
Keep that on there.
Whoa, look at the yellow car.
Oh, whoops.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh.
Watch out for that pothole.
Oh.
Motherfucker.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Or then you failed the whole thing. If you don't break the law and you just mess up the manoeuvre, well then you just lose points, I guess.
Yeah.
What the freaking? Mess up the manoeuvre, well then you just lose points, I guess.
Yeah.
What the freaking? Sorry, mate.
Oh,
That's a bit of a cheeky bugger.
yeah.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Scott might like that one.
I like it.
Wasn't too bad. Great.
That is definitely one for Scott. Wow.
Okay.
concerns something as intimate and personal as our consciousness. And my view is the ancient world had the right attitude to this kind of thing,
Yeah.
and the modern world does not.
Fucking
And
Jesus
learn
Christ!
a lot from
Holy
the ancient world. A lot of people
shit!
ask me attitude to this kind of thing.
Yeah.
I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants.
I would never be that girl holding your hand. Look at you. Strong is now when you're
Yeah. What's up, Liberty City? You're checking out Game Radio. My name is DJ Stretch Armstrong. I'm in here with my man, Lord Sear.
Yo, what's the deal, fam? Right here, Game Radio, Liberty City, where the players play and the pimpers pimp and the hustlers hustle on, y'all. You're gonna hear the finest in hip-hop music right here on Game Radio.
All the way
Yo,
live
Stretch, come
from the
on, man.
bridge.
Hit us with that
Nature.
exclusive.
Big Stretch. This is what we do, kid. Yo, hey yo, 60-inch screens. DVD, naked on the couch with 2 feeding me. The rap game treating me, giving me blessings. It's better than that whack depressing. You can find me puffing trees at the Summer League. NBA against the wannabes. 5-on-5, me Stretch. And Who Kid is in the front row, iced out. Not even watching the game. We want, you know the type that'll holler first at you, thirst master. Acting too fly, we curse at you. Walk on by, boo. My sunshine's turning to clouds. I'm the reason behind shootouts, murderous styles in the bridge. Cool out, my is wild. At award shows, I spit in the crowd. On your girlfriend wig, meet again because the world ain't big. And when we do, you duck, you Earl, or play sick. Basic flows, got the block flocking to me. You can call me by my government, but not in the street. Loving it, every minute of it. Spins is coming, and if it ain't real, then pretend to love it. Holla at your dog.
For my man Stretch Arm, the undisputed champ. Joe, we bang him like this. Joe Pellegrino. Cats think they're nice nowadays. Yo, check this. I'm probably the illest MC, believe it or not. Speak from the heart. Disagree, let's meet at the park. You rather rock some men's shoes and take a leap from a yacht than be that bullseye, penetrate with the lethalist dart. Hush, puppy, you a tame dog, need trees for the bark. What burner? Hands out your drawers, you reach up for. I let
And all I can say to that is bullshit.
Perhaps Danassian is on the bench and second choice for a few games, and you go higher up the leagues, and it's not so much kind of defending every set piece that's launched into your box. It does get a little bit more technical the higher up you go, and I think in terms of those kind of abilities, KBY does have an advantage over JD. JD has a lot of advantages over KBY.
What the fuck are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Well done.
Great.
What an asshole.
Wow, what a fucking jerk.
When you love someone, goes to
All the way live from the bridge, nature, big stretch. This is what we do, kid. Yo, hey yo, 60-inch screens. DVD, naked on the couch with 2 feeding me. The rap game treated me, giving me blessings. It's better than that whack depressing. You can find me puffing trees at the Summer League. NBA against the wannabes. 5-on-5, me stretch. And who kid is in the front row, iced out. Not even watching the game. We want, you know the type that'll holler first at you, thirst master. Acting too fly, we curse at you. Walk on by, boo. My sunshine's turning to clouds. I'm the reason behind shootouts, murderous styles in the bridge. Cool out, my is wild. At award shows, I spit in the crowd. On your girlfriend wig. Meet again because the world ain't big. And when we do, you duck, you Earl, or play sick. Basic flows, got the block flocking to me. You can call me by my government, but not in the street. Loving it, every minute of it. Spins is coming, and if it ain't real, then pretend to love it. Holla at your dog.
For my man Stretch Arm, the undisputed champ. Joe, we bang him like this. Joe Pellegrino. Cats think they're nice nowadays. Yo, check this. I'm probably the illest MC, believe it or not. Speak from the heart. Disagree, let's meet at the park. You rather rock cement shoes and take a leap from a yacht than be that bullseye. I penetrate with the lethalist dart. Hush, puppy, you a tame dog, need trees for the bark. What burner? Hands out your drawers, you reach up for. Electrify the dopest, leave him in shop, peeling his top. My head kicked back when battling like heat when it's spark. Serve beef when it's chopped. Disrespect me, you catch a fresh slice. And I ain't talking about no pizza that's hot. Record checks, tell your rappers I'm their reason to stop. And buying